welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark and thanks for joining me. And yeah, it's another beautiful day here in my place, and I'm so glad to have this opportunity and to even shoot this video. Thank you so much from wherever you're watching me. Thank you so much for the subscribers and everyone else who is interested in learning Kikuyu language. Now today we're going to learn the organs of the body. Now we're going to start from the first organ, which is the heart. How do we call the heart in Kikuyu? It's called Goro. Goro is the heart. The heart, Goro. Or people, other people do it like this, other people like this. Goro. Now that's the heart. The other organ of the body is the skin. How do we call the skin? Gothi. 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 I might say my skin is black or dark. How do I say that? Gothi yakwa nejiro. Gothi yakwa nejiro. Gothi, skin. Yakwa, possession. My skin is dark. Ne is jiro, dark or black. Gothi yakwa nejiro. Gothi yakwa nejiro. I might even say your skin is light. Gothi, skin. Yaku, your. Ne is jero, is light. Gothi yaku ne jero. Gothi yaku ne jero. Gothi, skin. Yaku, your. Ne jero. Your skin is light. Your skin is light. Gothi yaku ne jero. Gothi, skin. Now the other organ we're going to learn is the liver. How do we call the liver in Kikuyu? Ini. Ini. Ini is the liver. The other organ we learn is the kidney. How do we call the kidney in Kikuyu? The kidney is called higo. Higo. We know very well every human being, or most of the human beings, are born with two kidneys. So I might construct a sentence and say, I have two kidneys. Dena, I have. Higo igere. Dena, I have. Higo, kidney, igere. Dena, higo, igere. Dena, higo, igere. Higo, we said, is the kidney. Igere, two. Dena, higo, igere. I have two kidneys. Now, the other organ we learn is the brain. How do we call the brain in Kikuyu? Hakiri. 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 Hakiri is the brain. Now, I might say, use your brain. How can I say that? Tomera hakiri. Tomera hakiri. Use your brain. Or I can say, Tomera hakiri shiaku. Tomera, which is use. Hakiri, brain. Shiaku, your brain. Use your brain. Use your brain. Tomera hakiri shiaku, or tomera hakiri. Tomera hakiri. Now, the other organ we learn is the stomach. How do I call the stomach in Kikuyu? Da, da, stomach, da. I can say, my stomach is paining. Da yakwa neratura. My stomach, da yakwa, possession, neratura. It's paining. Gotura is the pain. Da yakwa neratura. Da yakwa neratura. My stomach is paining. Stomach, da. Or you can even say da neradura. Da neradura. Or you can say nederaturo neda. Nederaturo neda. I'm having some stomach ache. Nederaturo. Uturo is paining or aching. Neda, that specific place. Nederaturo neda. Now, the other organ we learn are the intestines. How do we call the intestines in Kikuyu? Mara, mara. Now you might say intestines, or you can say stomach intestines. Mara, mada. Mara, mada. Stomach intestines. Or you can say he has intestinal cancer. Enakaja ya mara. Enakaja ya mara. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching me from wherever you are. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for choosing this channel. I hope you are able to learn the organs of the body. Till we meet again next time, thank you and good night. Goodbye.